I'm Matt Dunn, the tech editor from news.com.au, and I have a hole in my wall. And even though I failed woodwork, I consider myself a bit of a manly man, so I really think I should be able to fix it. How hard could it be? Here's the hole. This is like a mesh bandage of sorts. Something else I've never seen. I think it's to smooth the plaster across. All right, let's do this. Does that look creamy? So now I've got to use the broad knife, fill it up, sand it down, and then put more creamy. That's just going around it. That is not working like it should. The sad thing is I'm actually trying my hardest. I've just made it worse. Can we just move on? It's a small little knife for such a big... Look at that. Bit of set. Ooh. That's not great. I'm really disappointed with my efforts.
Hi, my name is Mark and I've been in the trade for over 10 years. And that's basically it. Ready to paint.
And you could just sand it down with that? No.
Probably a couple of hours of sanding, yeah.
Yeah.
Give me a call next time.
All right, I will do.
Hey, you.
Ooh. And there you go. Ready for your house inspection.